Hello traders, today I have selected the topic of candlestick patterns since my all the videos are based upon price action. So I have decided to cover this topic first. If you want to know everything about market, go to the beach. Push and pull your hands with the waves. Some are bigger waves, some are smaller, but if you try to push the waves out when it is coming in, it will never happen. The market is always right. These are the statements given by legendary trader Edward Sekota in the book Market Wizard. It means to say that the market are the same now as they were 5 or 10 years ago because they keep changing just like they did then. Why I'm discussing today these things? Because I'm going to discuss about candlesticks. Candlesticks are the ways to know the prior action, what is going to happen, and it will tell you the story what has happened between the bulls and candlesticks tell you a story between what has happened in buyers and sellers, that is our bulls and bears. But I don't think candlestick alone is important. Candlestick alone doesn't tell you the whole story. Candles at the right location is always important. So most of the beginners thinks that I will remember, if I will remember the candlestick patterns, I would be able to become successful. No, it is not like that. Candlesticks alone doesn't tell you the whole story. And most importantly, position of the candle is important, where the particular candlestick is formed, whether if it is formed near a support, resistance, or any important pivot, or near a particular zone, or at the breakouts. This is very important, and candlesticks are helpful when it is considered with the moving averages. That will tell you that will be more helpful rather than candlesticks alone. मैं भी जब पहले बिगनर थी तो मुझे भी जब ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था, तो मैंने भी कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स पर शुरू में बहुत सर्च की, और मैंने भी 4-5 नहीं, कम से कम 6-7 पैटर्न्स को तो ज़रूर दिमाग में रख करके ट्रेडिंग करने की कोशिश की। जो इनिशियली जो मैंने कुछ कंसिडर किया था वो थे इनगल्फिंग, हैरमी, हैमर और समथिंग लाइक दैट। ऐसे 4-5 पैटर्न्स थे जिनको मैंने बहुत याद किया और अप्लाई करने की कोशिश की। वो गलती आप न करें। सिर्फ कैंडलस्टिक इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं होता है, एक पर्टिकुलर कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न कहाँ फॉर्म हो रहा है ये ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। एंड डेफिनेटली इट विल टेल यू अबाउट हु वन द बैटल, whether bulls are out of breath or bears are out of breath, and who is going to won the battle, what may be the prior action before what is going to happen. Candlestick pattern से आपको अच्छी तरह से पता चल सकता है. That is why I am going to discuss this, and this is the main basis of price action. प्राइस एक्शन में जो भी आप आगे का प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्कस करते हैं वो उसके पीछे कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स ही होते हैं. लेट अस सी. Candlesticks are way of analyzing price on charts. It will tell you dominance of buyers and sellers. In short, it will tell you about the bar by bar battle. So a particular candlestick will tell you that who won the battle, or whether इट इज़ द इक्वल. ये फाइट जो भी रही इनकी वो बराबरी की रही या जो भी है, इससे क्लियरली एक पर्टिकुलर कैंडलस्टिक को देखने से पता चलता है. इन शॉर्ट, every individual bar represents a battle that was fought by two groups, the bulls and bears. The buyers, that are our buyers and sellers. When the close is above the open, the bulls win, producing the color green that I have shown here. Uh, it opens here, and it goes to this point, and then it goes again above this and closes here near this. The whole body becomes green. So when the close is below the open, the bears win like this. It opens here, goes a little bit high, and then it comes down and closes, comes up to this level and closes here. So it will be its body becomes red, so it will represents a bear bar. When the close is below the open, the bears win, producing the color red. How much each side wins is determined by how much green or red they produce. In other words, the wider the distance between the open and close, the greater is the win. Quite naturally, the group winning the most bars is dominating the stock. I can give you here a tip. Most successful trades are usually in sync with the winning side. दैट मीन्स आपकी जो पर्टिकुलर कैंडलस्टिक फॉर्म होती है वो उसकी ग्रीन या रेड की स्ट्रेंथ जितनी ज़्यादा है, आप एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ट को जब देखते हैं जिसमें अगर नंबर ऑफ कैंडल स्टिक्स आर मोर इन ग्रीन कलर और ये ज़्यादा फैट बार है, फैट बार मतलब ये जो फुल कैंडल जो बनती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, अगर ग्रीन में है तो इसका मतलब है कि इट इज़ टाइम टू गो लॉन्ग. मार्केट बायस इज फॉर इन फेवर ऑफ बुल्स. और अगर बहुत ज़्यादा कैंडल्स जो हैं वो रेड फॉर्म हो रही हैं, काफ़ी बड़ी रेड बन रही हैं एक पर्टिकुलर चार्ट को देखते हो, तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि मार्केट का बायस थोड़ा बियर साइड में है. The candlestick will tell you open, high, low and close of price in that particular time frame. आप किसी भी टाइम फ्रेम पे कर रहे हो, ये जो है आपको एक जैसे मैंने इसमें बताया आपको, ये ओपन यहाँ होती है, क्लोज यहाँ होती है, और ये ओपनिंग के बाद थोड़ा नीचे भी गई और उसके बाद ये ऐसे ऊपर तक जाती है, लेकिन क्लोजिंग इसकी यहाँ होती है. इसी तरह से आपकी बियर साइड वाली कैंडल को भी देख सकते हैं, रेड कैंडल को भी, ये ओपन यहाँ से होती है और थोड़ा सा ऊपर ये जाती है, लेकिन ये फिर इट इज कमिंग डाउन and it goes up to this level but closes here. So in this way we can understand the candlestick, how it forms. These are some of the winning candles that I have shown here. एक approximate किस साइड में आपकी कैंडल्स जो हैं वो बुल साइड में जो है उसको अगर बताना हो तो आप कैसे बताएंगे उसके लिए, या ज़्यादातर कैंडल्स जो बियर्स के एक स्ट्रेंथ को बता रही हैं उसको बताना हो, तो मैंने यहाँ पे दो ग्रुप बना रखा है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं. दीज आर द फैट बार जिसमें बिल्कुल कहीं भी विक फॉर्म नहीं हो रही है, ये मोस्ट बुलिश जो फुल ग्रीन कैंडल है, ये मोस्ट बुलिश. दूसरी एक टेल बार के साथ है. In this tail bar, tail is at least 2 times length of the body. It is also the most bullish type of candle. And third one is as you can see, this is the you can say it is the neutral type of candle stick formation, and the fourth one also, and this is the least neutral, so you can discard this. And in the same way, in a second row, this is the most bearish, this is the second most bearish, and these are the neutral form for bearish strength. All these are neutral candles. That means no one wins. While technically no one wins due to the open and close being even, the last group in control of the stock is considered the winner. Bar 1 is completely a draw, bar 2 is won by the bears, and bar 3 is won by the bulls. And these two are bottoming tail and topping tail. These are very important. Bottoming tails and topping tails offer some incredible trading opportunities, which we will see shortly. As I have said, a candlestick alone doesn't tell you the whole story. Uh, but it can be considered with moving averages. It may be helpful, so we will see it. There are some combinations of candlesticks which will help you. So we will discuss in the coming slides. These are some of the combinations. First one is elephant bar, second one is color change, third one is tail bar. These three combinations are very important when you consider these three combinations with the moving averages. So we will see now. This is the elephant bar. As I have said earlier, the candlestick which is having no wick is a fat elephant bar. These three setups are for uh, buyers to go long. When a full fat green bar forms with no wick, and then a second candlestick formation take place, just we have to enter just at the breakout of this fat bar, and we will put our stop loss just below, one tick below this elephant bar. This is for a long setup. And the second one is tail bar. And one more important thing, you have to consider the moving averages uh, in any time frame. You can consider a 20 MA and 200 MA. It will be more helpful. We will see in the coming examples. This one, second one is our tail bar. Here is the tail is at least 2 times of length of the body, either color, but we will consider it as we will consider the only tail. We have to see where the tail is formed. So it is the second most bullish candle, and we will enter at the breakout of this candle, and we will put our stop loss just below this candle. And the third one is color change. When a trend is established and this type of opposite color candle is formed, and when the next candle which wipe out this opposite color candle, we just have to enter at the wipe off of this opposite color candle, and we will put our stop loss just below this candle. And next we will see the sell setups. These are the setup for sell to go short. This is the fat red bar is formed, and here we will go short just at the breakout of this candle, and we will put our stop loss here. And next one is tail bar. In this case, we have to always keep in mind that where the tail is formed. Tail is important, not the color. So we will go short here, and we will put our stop loss here. And this is the anti-color play. When the sell trend is established and the opposite color, that is of course green color, is formed, and when the next candle of red color wipe outs this green color, we have to go short, and we will put our stop loss here. These are the examples. As I have said, you can consider candlestick patterns with the moving averages. I have taken the example of Reliance. This green line represents the 200 MA, and this blue line represents the 20-day moving averages. These are the simple moving averages, not the exponential or any other one. These are the simple moving averages. You just have to plot on your chart, and we will consider it. As you can see clearly, this is the pin tail bar is formed. Here we will see this in the next one. Here is the tail bar is formed. So this is our buy setup. When your 20 MA is above the 200 MA, you have to go long, and when it is below the 200 MA, you have to go short. For buy setup, 20 MA should not be negative, and for short setup it should not be positive. So this is our buy setup. Here is the tail bar is formed. We will put our stop loss just below this tail, and we will go long here. And in the second one, here is the color change. As you can see, this is the red color formed, and this green takes out, and here is our entry point. Just above this, here is our entry point. In this green color, we will go long, and we will put stop loss just below this red bar. And in the same way, you can see here, this is the fat bar is formed, but this is not, the target is not met here, and your stop loss would be just below this bar. Here you can see this is the green color, red color is formed, and you anti color you can consider here, and here you will go long, and you may book your profit, but this is not very promising one. You will see the next example. This is Nifty on 5 minutes. Earlier was on 3 hours. This is on 5 minutes. For this one, here is the anti-color color changes form. As you can see, this is the trend is established for sell setup. This is 200 MA, this is 20 MA, and here is the opposite color, green color is formed when which is taken out by this red candle. So we will go short here, and we will put our stop loss just above this above this green bar, and we will go short. And again you get a entry point here. Here is the tail bar is formed, very small baby tail bar, you can consider it too. So we will go short here, and we will put our stop loss just above this tail, and you can book your profit till here. Again there is a tail bar is formed, or you can consider anti-color here. So by this way we can take the advantage of candlestick patterns when you consider it with moving averages. And one more thing, candlesticks are important when you see it is a breakout candle. Then breakouts are characterized by a continuation of an existing uptrend or downtrend initiated by a green candle or a red candle, typically on heavy volumes, or near any pivot. You can consider as a tail is normally a tail bar is formed, which is called as a pin bar. आप अक्सर देखेंगे जहां पर भी कोई पिवट है, सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस के पास, एक बार वहां पर आने पर वो टेस्ट करता है उस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट को, जो कि एक पिन बार फॉर्मेशन होती है, विच इज वेरी सिमिलर टू टेल बार. सो आप वहां पर भी देख सकते हैं इसे. Thanks for watching my video and giving your precious time, and don't quit, do it. Bye bye.